Hello again, friends. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Mixed Media Mayhem, where me and a few friends have been getting together for quite some time and doing some fun mixed media recipe type things or lifts on Fridays. And our recipe today is watercolor, thread, and pattern paper. You know what I forgot to grab? Is thread. All right. I don't know what just fell, but we're just going to act like it didn't. Alright, so I want yellow, orange, holy crap. Do we not have any red? Red. Oh, it's like metallic thread. Oh, buddy. I thought I had like a smaller thing, but whatever. Red. Green, I said blue, and blue. I'm doing the rainbow minus my mom. My mom buys me things. Love that one. Alright. Because there's no purple in this collection, we were leaving the purple out of the rainbow, which is very upsetting, but it is what it is at this point. So, the watercolors that I have, the Vicky Bouton watercolor brushes, we've got cherry tart, crushed pineapple, orange slice, watermelon burst, and blueberry pie. So we'll do something fun with those. And I've got, the sticker book that I'm trying to use, the puffy stickers, the chipboard. My one photo, this is moi. And we were walking we were just like over there, and we took the cataract across, and this is going into Excalibur, because that's each one of their catwalks has the theme. So this is, we stayed at New York due to the roller coaster. I'm gonna pull in this guy, so we've got a whole bunch of stuff that we're gonna use. Here's my pattern papers that we're using, and then we're gonna do the mixed media on this. So kind of what I thought was we would make that the background. So I have got some stuff to do, right? We're going to take a 1/2 inch. Actually, all the sides are kind of busted on this paper. Okay. Well, that's fun facts. That wasn't the correct size, my friends. So we're just taking it down to an 11.5 by 11.5. Alright, that part is done. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this paper. I'm going to, my photo, I'm going to trim it down a bit. Oh, it will fit over here though, and I don't have to trim it down. Sweet! And then I'm going to do it on that one. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back and do the mixed media. Alright, so I got my photo matted. How cool is that? I know. Simple. You might not be able to see it, but I have a little hashtag here, and here, because that is going to be where our colors go. And all I'm going to do is just do some fun packaging. Let's do packaging. I haven't done that in a while. So let's see if we can get enough. So what I usually do is I just, like everyone, save all the packaging that we consume and use that for mixed media. But you guys do not need a ton of packaging to do mixed media. So show you. Just throw that out. We got those two pieces. Technically, we would need one more, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I am just going to use that one little square to do all my mixed media work. Okay. So I'm going to start with the yellow. I'm just going to get it shook up and just get this rubbed on here. So it's just a pin. So you just squeeze. And you just add some on there. And you always take a little bit of water and add it to there. And we've got right in the middle. And we did not gesso or do anything like that, so we're just gonna, you just pounce. And we're just gonna keep doing that all the way down. Just being careful, because there's no gesso, right? So we just want to make sure that we get a fun little marks, and we just stay within our little realm. See, I'm just gonna go all the way up, and then I'm gonna add like the twine and stuff on the inside, or you know, just do some fun stuff. So give me a minute to finish this. We'll let it dry and I'll come back in a little bit and show you progress. All right, so like I said, no gesso, but we've got that going for us. I'm gonna let it dry. One other thing that I want to do is move this stuff out the way real quick. Okay. And let's put these in one of my cute little containers. I love these little things. Me and my bestie went shopping. Well, it'll have been a week ago by the time you guys see this, but and I don't know. I was just picking up all kinds of freaking little bins and stuff for in here. So I want to splatter this with white ink. I'm hoping this one doesn't I need a new one. So if you see, I just kind of shake it so that it gets to the top there. Because if I turn it to the side, I'm not going to lie to you guys, see how it's dripping? See if I can just, I make a mess. Let me just start going in, but I want to get white on all the things. It's kind of blending in, isn't it? Alright, so let's do that. Probably. Oh, Lord help us all. I didn't wipe that off. What is wrong with me? I just stuck it in there. Well, there's paint everywhere, you guys. It's alright. I hope you can hear me. I don't even know if you can hear me. My microphone's pretty strong. I want to grab the pearl pigment. I just gotta find that though. Is this it? Oh, this is it. Nope, that's white. That's my British Monroe white. I want my British Monroe pearl. It'll be in here somewhere. So while I look for this, I don't even know where it's at. There it is. I lied. I knew. I got so many of these British Monroe products. All right. So we're just gonna mix the pearl up. And we're going to put some shine down, right? So this does do a little bit of a string. So it leaves like fun little tails. Oh, you can see I just go crazy. Now their white does it as well. I love their products. Used to be on the design team. That was one. It was a good design team. Tourbillon. And then we've just got the white chrome. I don't use these to spray. If you use them to spray, this one though, like the white, it doesn't. It kind of, it's not white. All right, we're gonna let this dry. I'm gonna clean this mess up, but that's cool, huh? Then we're gonna add some tone on tone. Oh goodness, Mom. Then we're gonna add our thread, and that's gonna be fun. But I'm gonna clean this all up. It looks so you can see where it's shining. Ooh. All right. And there's different depth and dimension with how I added just adding layer over layer, and it had a more concentrate of color. It was good. So we're gonna let this dry, and I'll be right back. All right, everything is dry. I'm zoomed in way too much. So we're gonna do some tone on tone now. And I'm actually just gonna put thread, I think, behind everything, because why not? So I just pull some off and jumble it when we get it set down. And then I just take some glue and dot it around. And then we just kind of hold it in place. I need blue down here, but I don't know. So only the chipboard pieces will come in with something else. So we got Lucky Strike. We got that guy. We're gonna bring this kind of right there. I'm gonna pop that one there. I'm just kind of seeing where things can fit and go and live their best life. All right, that's kind of fun. And then we'll fill everything in with what we got over here. So I'm gonna pull in like the I'm skating to win. The dimensional stuff will have the twine behind it. Everything else, however, will not. I'm just gonna put that there. I'm going to pop that up on some foam. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this all together. But how cool is this looking? So like tone on tone. I like the tone on tone. Kind of making it fun. So I'm going to go ahead and keep doing that. I'm going to fill up the, I've got the teal to go in there, even though it's supposed to be green. It kind of turned out teal, so it's fine. I've got yellow. I've got orange. I've got red. And then I've got this close to my heart. Oh, close to my heart. Blue to fill those spots. And then if I can pull anything off of here, so like we can even do like movies, because it doesn't really matter. We're just trying to, you know, get the stuff in and get the stuff used. So just kind of fun getting stuff in there. So give me a minute to get this done, and I will be right back. All right, I've got everything stuck down. I have a yes up here. I have no idea why. And then the title is just Play Together. I don't know. Seemed like to, you know, it made sense at the time. So, extreme color matching here, huh? I'm just going to get these stuck on. I don't know why I wasn't speaking, so I do apologize for that. I'm going to get 1 3-person people cluster somewhat hanging around there. And come in, which was funny because green was the color I used over there for the thread, but everything else was teal, so I guess it works somehow, huh? Those are a little bit more spread out. Did some good traction with those. And then I'm going to put the blue ones from close to my heart. Also, I know close to my heart has said its goodbyes, but I have decided that yes, I am going to go ahead and sell Stampin' Up. The offer was just really good, you guys, so we'll see how the next year goes. And then I'll make a decision on, you know, if we're gonna stick around. All right. That is gonna do it. So don't forget to check everybody else out that is playing along with Mixed Media Mayhem. We do have a schmancy playlist, so you can get all the Mixed Media Mayhems from all the weeks past. And this is my tone on tone, so I did successfully Dorothy's head. I've got watercolor on there, I've got the thread all over the place, and we've got pattern paper behind my photo and as the border. I have really been loving doing borders around my whole layout lately. So, and yes, if you noticed, that was a Golden Girls. Target has these for like a few bucks. Who knew? And their heads are oh, so cute. So anyway, that's how I keep track of things, along with my handy dandy planner. But my planner's, she's getting kind of thick and chunky. We got to get through 2 more months, and then we switch to the next one. So that's gonna do it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Do all the fun YouTubey things, like, subscribe, check out the Facebook groups, and leave me a comment down below because I really love to hear from you guys. And I'll see you later. Bye.